Today, today I got these parts that have been sand. All the old paint was taken away, and now I'm taking it to the paint shop that we're gonna get new paint on. It's gonna be black, like it was before.
Mała maszyna ma być. Vamos, macho. Cadê esse mostarda?
Here it is, new day, new project. This is the new wall cover that I just painted, and now it's restored. Looks much better than it used to be. And now I'm gonna put it back in the car. And also I have to replace the ceiling. My old ceiling was cracked somewhere here because the oil was dropping out when the engine was warm, and now I'm gonna put the new one and also the cover back inside the car. When you're putting new gasket on, just be careful that slides in perfectly. Everything must be tight, and just you must put it in perfect. No gaps must be seen between the cover and the gasket. So now let's put it inside. And this is how it looks inside the engine. I also put the original sticker on, and when I assembled it back together, I think now it looks much better that looked before. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.